So my intro. I always do this. I swear I never do my intro before the video. I do it after because I always forget. So hi, my name is Darceline and this is my channel. Welcome to my channel if you're new, or if you've been here before, welcome back and thank you for coming back. So today I'm filming Ipsy. This is what, okay, this is June, we're in June, so this is the June 2021 bag and this is what I'm filming. And if you want to see more of it, let's keep on watching. Anyways, I'm back. My last video was an Ipsy video and so will be this one because I just got my Ipsy bag in the mail and I wanted to film it as soon as possible because I figure it was about time I actually upload them at a good time where everyone haven't received theirs. So here we go. This is actually my first time opening it and let's go see what's in there. But this is the bag. I love pink, so I love this bag. It has these little details on the front, rainbow. I'm guessing it's because this month is Pride month, so I'm guessing that's probably definitely why we have the rainbow. And then the love is also in rainbow. So let's open it and see what's in there. I'm excited. I love receiving skincare products. I just love receiving packages in general. So let's open this. Okay, and here's the card. It says do you. This one has 5 products per usual. Always Ipsy Ipsy bags always have 5 products. So let's just go open them and see what's in there. So the first thing I grab is the Misha Beauty nail polish. It's a pink shade. Oh, I also really love nail polishes, especially in pink. I have a lot of pink shades and this is so cute. Look at it. Oh my god, this is so nice. I honestly want to just keep it on my shelf just for the aesthetic. Like, I don't know, I feel like I just feel like it adds something. I'm gonna apply it and let's see how it goes. I don't know why I smelled it because nail polish always do this to me. That is such a nice shade of pink. I usually do more of a nude pink, but I like this one. My nails are actually short lately, so, but this is what it looks like. I think it's a nice pink. We have the Professional Super Setter long-lasting makeup setting spray. I've actually used their primer before, not because I bought it, because I used to have Ipsy like a while ago and I got their primer because I was a broke bee and I was not buying no $20 primer or anything like that. But this is a setting spray. This color is all I love these 2 colors. Honestly, my bedding right now is this color and pink is my favorite color. So pink in this shade, I don't even know what it's called. It's like a turquoise, cyan. Those 2 are definitely my favorite shade. So yeah, this is a Professional Super Setter. Shake the bottle well. Those are the directions. It says shake the bottle well, hold it 8 inches from your face, and then mist evenly all over. So since I'm wearing makeup today, we're gonna do that and see how it goes. I don't know what's 8 inches with my face, so I'm just gonna assume this is it. Okay, this is interesting. I don't know if it's because it's not, okay, I don't know if it's not working or something like that, because usually setting sprays are more of like a spray, and when you spray it, or maybe it's the ones I buy, you can feel the sprays getting on your face, but this one was definitely a mist. And I think they did they call it a mist? Super Setter. Okay, it says mist evenly all over. That was the direction, but there's nowhere in here that it says it's a mist. Because like when you feel it, it's almost like you can't feel anything, just like you're walking through a foggy or like a wet, I don't know how to explain it. It's not spraying. Maybe it's broken or something, I don't even know. So we're just gonna move to the next product. This is the Kali E, I think that's the name. Okay, no, the okay, so alright. Okay, so these 2 little things in the middle, they're S's. I did not know that. I thought they were just designed, so I was just calling it Cali E, but the card says it's Cali C. So I think the name is Cali C Cloud Soft Bod Deluxe Size in Vanilla. This is a moisturizer infused with sweet almond oil, shea butter, aloe vera, and antioxidants. Deeply hydrates and nourishes skin while helping repair damage. I love it. As soon as you smooth it on, your skin will look and feel instantly healthier. Well, let's try this. This is it. It smells like a body wash I've used, but I do use a lot of vanilla products, so maybe that's why. It does smell good. I don't know if my skin looks instantly healthier. I'm pretty sure it doesn't really give you instant results. Anyway, I love it. I always want these little size lotions simply because I love having hand creams in my bag, and the more the merrier. I just keep them here, and when one is over, I just move on to another one. Okay, and the next product is it's this. It's actually a cute package. I like the color on it, the black and the gold. It's very classy. Okay, so yeah, this is a facial cleanser. Okay, it is the Mazzy or Mazzy, don't know how you pronounce it, the Mazzy or Mazzy the Mazzy Balancing Multi-Effect Facial Cleanser. Okay, they say it's a gentle yet effective cleanser. It uses mild surfactants to remove excess oil buildup and impurities, plus omega-rich rosehip seed oil to moisturize and smooth your skin. Okay. It sounds good. It says it's a daily detox treatment for all skin types. I'll definitely give it a try, but I don't usually love rosehip seed oil on my skin. I don't love any oil on my skin simply because I have oily skin to begin with. So it's just like anytime I use oil on my skin, it just feels even more oily, and I don't do it. I keep oil away from my skin. But we're just gonna go ahead, open it up, smell it, and see and feel the texture. Oh, it's like a gel texture. That's very interesting. I did not expect that. Okay, I'll just show you guys the texture. That was a bubble. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, it is a gel texture. Doesn't really smell like much. At least it doesn't have a scent that I can identify, so I don't know. I will definitely give it a try though, but I do have like 2 cleansers that I'm using right now, so I don't really need a third cleanser. But yeah, this will do. Okay, so last product, Juliet Has a Gun. I've actually had this sample before. My sister gave me this set of samples, and I think Juliet Has a Gun was one of them. Also, one of them was like my favorite perfume ever, her London Dream by Burberry. Oh my god, it smells amazing. Okay, so let's go ahead and smell this because I think I forgot the scent. Okay. Oh, I didn't show you guys how it looks like. So this is the package. I actually really like it. Maybe I did not smell this before. I feel like maybe I knew the name but not the scent. It has an earthy smell, which is weird because usually floral is what I like, but this is smelling really good. Wow, I really like this. I think I'm definitely gonna be using this, and I may even buy another one when it finishes. Who knows? But I am gonna let it stay a little longer because sometimes after an hour or so, scents might change on your hand, or it might fade really quick. And if it does fade really quick, I don't like spending my money on perfumes that will fade after like a few minutes. I don't do that. It's a waste of my time, energy, and money. But this smells really good. Let's see. Let's read the little description thing. It says, if you crave a fresh scent for summer, then this fragrance is for you. Equal parts juicy and mouth-watering, happy and uplifting. The notes of green pear and musk are good vibes bottled. To increase the longevity of this perfume on skin, layer it over an unscented body lotion. I don't think I use unscented body lotions. Okay, but yeah, this This smells really good. I'm definitely gonna be using this. I'm gonna put it in my bag just because why not? Usually I don't really like wearing carrying big perfumes in my bag, which is usually what I have. So I think this is definitely gonna come in handy. And I think that was it. So these are all the okay, so yeah, these are all the products that I got from Ipsy this month, and I think I really like all of them. I definitely like the nail polish, which I applied like a few minutes ago. It's actually dried. Yeah, it's dried, so that's good. You know, it dries fast. I don't like nail polish that stays too long in my hand. So yeah, I think we've tried everything. The setting spray, it's like, it's a mist. It's a setting mist. That thing doesn't spray, at least. Maybe it's, yeah, because also if you hold it too far from your face, you really don't feel anything. Right now I just feel it falling on my legs. I don't know. Maybe it's because this is a sample and it's probably defective or something like that. But I would definitely recommend you get Ipsy if you're a person who's into products and want to try a different kind of product every month. Because honestly, I've gotten really good products that my skin really loves. So if you're that kind of person, you should totally get it, and I'll leave the link down below for anyone who wants to get it. I think this was it. So what's my outro? Well, what do I usually say? Okay, so thank you for watching this video. If you've made it this far, like, comment, and subscribe if you'd like to see more, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.